Alright, I bought this DDM Tuning Saber LED ProX 55 series. These are 3000 Ks, 55 watt LEDs. This is going to be used for the fog lights on this LS 430 that I bought recently. It's brand new to me. It's an '05 model. So I'm going to put that as the fog lights. Here's what the stock looks like. I mean, the stock's not bad, right? It could be better. The stocks kind of look useless at night. They don't really illuminate things. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that. So that's how it looks like stock. Then after I'm done installing it, I'll show it to you guys. Really, it's not bad. It actually looks nice, but we'll see. Alright, here's the LED bulb. I think this is called the driver. I'm not too familiar with these things. Comes with a fan. Seems pretty solid. This is the old bulb over here. So let's compare it to the new one. Oh shit, it's about to fall. It's substantially bigger, so make sure when you're installing this thing that you have room. With the LS 430, there's no issues. Plenty of room in there. Let me just casually put this thing in that toolbox. See, plenty of room. Shouldn't be an issue here. So, alright, let me put this on then. Alright, I got the first bulb in. Pretty easy. Here's how it looks side by side with the old one. It's definitely brighter than the halogens it's replacing, and the color is spot on. I like that yellow color. It should help with, you know, when it rains or something. Really hard to drive when it's raining here in Houston, and everyone's going 100 miles per hour. So looks pretty good. I like it. Now let's put on the other one. Alright, I just finished everything. I put the tools up. It took maybe about 45 minutes to get everything installed. This side over here, the passenger side, was a lot easier to do than the driver's side. The driver's side's kind of tight, but really not bad for both of them. So also, it would have been easier if these fucking wasps would stop attacking me while I'm installing the fog lights. They're just flying everywhere, so I had to kill them first and then install the thing. All right, let me start it. Freaking wasps, man. I don't know if y'all been stung before by a wasp, but it's not pretty. All right, she's starting. Let me turn the wheel this way, straighten it up. Look how clean that car is. Oh my goodness. 114,000 miles. Let's turn this on. Okay. Alright. I mean, she looks pretty damn good, guys. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. I mean, the fog lights are really bright. Looks pretty good on the car. You know, it doesn't look ricer. I mean, it's a Lexus. Unless, you know, you're going for that ricer look, then this is not for you. Alright. Hopefully the LED bulbs last for a long time. I mean, they do run hot. That's why they've got an active cooling system. The DDM Tuning Saber Pro, they're expensive, but you know, I figured I hate installing these things. Holy crap, more wasps, motherfucker. Oh, Jesus Christ. I thought we were gonna get a bonus footage there where I killed some more, but it flew away. Jesus Christ. Almost had a heart attack. Fat people and wasps don't mix, you know. You ever seen a fat man run for his life? It's not a pretty sight. But anyways, off topic. Yeah, it looks great. I can't wait to try these at night. I'm not gonna drive it now because I've got work tomorrow early, so maybe next weekend. Alright guys, bye. Oh, by the way, the reason why I went for $135 LED set, the DDM tuning, because they tend to last longer than the cheap Chinese Amazon and eBay fog light kits. You know, ALA lighting and C light, auto oxid, whatever those things are. They're cheap, they flicker, they don't last long. So, and these things have a pretty good warranty on them. All right, bye.